90-Day Fiance. BF90, Brian hiding drug dealer past from Ingrid. 90-Day Fiance. Before the 90 Days features the story of Brian and his Brazilian girlfriend, Ingrid. The two met on an online dating app 2 years ago, but they wanted to take their relationship to the next level by finally meeting each other in person. Their first few interactions raised a lot of questions from fans. One of them was about Brian's shocking past, which led to his inability to walk. However, it seems there's more to the story, and he's afraid to tell it to his partner. Keep reading to see what it was. 90-Day Fiance. Brian shares struggles being a quadriplegic. During the Season 7 premiere of 90-Day Fiance. Before the 90 days, Brian talked to his friends about his plans to fly to Brazil. According to him, he's finally ready to be in love again. However, he was later asked by one of his friends if he was also going to have intimate moments with Ingrid. He confessed his struggles with intimacy, adding that he's planning to hide Viagra medicines in different places once they settle in a house. Brian then revealed that he experiences headaches during intercourse. Many viewers commended him for being transparent with his condition. But several Reddit users think he's still hiding something from everyone. Brian's horrifying past. Some Redditors discussed Brian's suspicious story during the BF90 Season 7 premiere. According to the poster, the 90-Day Fiance star initially claimed that he lost his ability to walk from a carjacking incident. He said one of the perpetrators shot him during the confrontation. But Brian later changed the story, saying the carjacking incident wasn't random. He then added he's afraid to tell Ingrid the whole story, making many people skeptical about his past. The Reddit user also discovered that Brian participated in a podcast in which he shared the true story of why he became quadriplegic. In my neighborhood, there was only gangs and drugs and low-income housing, he explains, adding that being a drug dealer was one of his inspirations in life aside from being a boxer or a ball player. He then confessed his father was part of a mafia, making him think he grew up in a gangster family. Brian admitted that he used marijuana when he was 16. He eventually started selling weeds. He also got addicted to cocaine and had *X with different women, leading to the downfall of his marriage. Fortunately, he found a new path and eventually got a job at a car dealership. 90-Day Fiance. Brian claims the carjacker was sent by his ex-wife. During the same podcast, Brian revealed he got carjacked when he came home from work. But it wasn't a random coincidence like what he claimed on the show. According to the 90-Day Fiance star, a man threatened him with a gun, asking him to get out of his car. He retaliated by saying that he also had a gun, even though he didn't. This led to the suspect shooting him in his shoulder, and the bullet penetrated through his spine. Brian claimed the gunman only took his Gucci watch and his wallet. He also believes the guy was sent by his ex-wife and that the wallet and watch were part of his payment. Brian doesn't have further proof of his claims, but it seems he does